To our respected principal, Mr. Chutimopi Locando Jr., Sir, my dedicated teachers, beloved parents, honored guests, and my fellow graduates, a pleasant and joyful morning to one and all. Today marks a very important and memorable moment in our lives. Standing here today, I feel proud, grateful, and hopeful for the future. On behalf of my fellow graduates, I would like to express our deepest gratitude to everyone who guided us and supported us on our journey through elementary school. To our dear teachers, thank you for your patience, dedication, and kindness. You taught us not only how to read, write, and solve problems, but also how to believe in ourselves, work hard, and never give up. Your lessons will remain in our hearts wherever we go. To our parents and families, we offer our sincerest thanks. You were our first teachers and our strongest supporters. Your sacrifices, encouragement, and unconditional love helped us reach this special day. This achievement is not only ours, it belongs to you as well. To Santo Niño Central School, thank you for becoming our second home. Within these classrooms and hallways, we discovered our talents, learned valuable lessons, and created friendships that we will treasure forever. My fellow graduates, today we celebrate the end of one chapter and the beginning of another. As we move forward to new challenges and new dreams, let us carry with us the values we learned: hard work, respect, courage, and kindness. Let us continue to dream big, believe in ourselves, and make our families, teachers, and schools proud. Wherever life takes us, may we always remember where our journey began. Once again, from the bottom of our hearts, thank you to everyone who supported us along the way. Thank you to our teachers, our proud parents, and to Santo Niño Central School for shaping us who we are today. As we step into a new chapter, let us carry our dreams, our courage, and our gratitude wherever we go. Batch 2026, this is only the beginning. Let's make our future proud. Thank you and congratulations to all of us.